Microsoft adds DALL-E 3 creator to Android keyboards works in WhatsApp too. Microsoft is rolling out a big Android app that makes Bing Chat AI and DALL-E 3 powered image creator easily accessible on phones. You can now open the keyboard on Android and click the Bing icon to generate DALL-E 3 powered images and share the artwork using apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram. Bing DALL-E 3 image creator, which started rolling out to select users on the web, is now integrated directly into Microsoft SwiftKey, supported by Windows. Latest today, the changelog reveals the company rolling out the feature to users on September 12, but not everyone has access to DALL-E 3. Microsoft CEO of Bing and Advertising previously confirmed Bing DALL-E 3 is rolling out to lucky select users. This also applies to the image creator within SwiftKey for Android. So if you do not have access to DALL-E 3, you can still use the image creator powered by the less capable DALL-E 2. How to use Bing image creator with DALL-E on Android. Getting started with Bing image creator on Android is a straightforward process. You will need to download SwiftKey keyboard from the Play Store and follow on screen instructions, which include enabling SwiftKey and changing the default keyboard settings. Once done, open the text field in the app like WhatsApp, Word, where it's possible to upload or share images. Click the emoji icon in SwiftKey, select the artwork icon, Bing Creator, and sign into the Microsoft account. Finally, type the prompt description of the artwork you want to generate and press enter. As you can see in the above screenshot, SwiftKey will generate DALL-E images within the keyboard. You can select the image and share it with your contact group or channels on WhatsApp and similar app. It as simple as that. Bing Image Creator is a new addition to the existing AI feature. SwiftKey Microsoft Android keyboard already supports full-fledged Bing chat integration with features like Bing Search Turn and Chat. You can rewrite your text in 4 available turns, namely professional, social post, polite, and casual. It comes with a compose box similar to Microsoft Edge sidebar. You can open the compose box to generate paragraphs, emails, blog posts, and more. Finally, the chat section on the keyboard. Open the full-fledged Bing chat where you can type a question and Bing will return a detailed response. You can also use Microsoft Launcher to access Bing AI feature on Android. The search bar within Microsoft Launcher enables access to Bing AI from anywhere. Unfortunately, these features are unavailable on iOS, but Microsoft has an updated Bing app for iPhone and iPad that gives you free access to GPT-4 and DALL-E 3.